Welcome to the channel RIKL Learner for JEE Mains and Advanced. Today's question is three metallic plates out of which middle is given charge Q as shown in the figure. The outer plates can be earthed with the help of switches S1 and S2. The area of each plates is same. Answer the following question based on the following passage. The first question is the charge appearing on the outer surface of extreme left plate is, and we are having four choices: minus q by 2, q by 2, that means plus q by 2, and C is q and D is minus q. This is the first question. Okay, so in the first question what we have to find is we have to find in the given system of three plates, the center plate is given with a charge q, that is positive q. We have to find how much charge is lying on the outer surface of the extreme left plate. Okay, so that is what we do now. Here is what I am having the three plates. This is the first plate and I am calling the second plate, that is the middle one here. Okay, and the third one is here. We simply assume this is the third one. Well, this is plate A, this is plate B, and this is plate C. This is the middle one, and we are given a charge Q to this one. This is plus Q charge is given. Okay, so charge given to this. How much charge? Plus Q charge is given to the center one. Okay, there are some possibility to ground these two plates. That is, there is connection to the earth. First, we just observe we are not going to make any earth connection. So at this situation we have to find how much charge may going to accumulate on the outer surface here. Okay, so how much charge is present, so that is to be found. See, when the plates are in vacuum, there is no earth connection. Okay, so when no earth connection, when there is no earth connection, you know, the central charge, okay, the central plate charge will be distributed equally. Okay, so it will be distributed equally on its two surfaces. So that means the charge what we are giving here, you know, plus Q, that is distributed as a plus Q by 2 and plus Q by 2 on these two sides. Okay, so now one more thing we have to observe, that is this plate, any of these plates. Okay, so since these three are conductors, no electric field should penetrate through these plates. So the electric field which is going to be generated here from the accumulated positive charges should end here on the plate C from inside. That means the amount of charge that should be collected here, otherwise I may say induced, so it must be minus Q by 2. Okay, so the negative charges will going to accumulate same amount of charge. How much positive charges are here, the same amount of negative charges would be collected on this side. Okay, so since the net charge of this one is 0, net charge is equal to 0, so on this side we should get plus Q by 2. Okay, so plus Q by 2 charges will be accumulated on the right side of plate C. Right, so in this situation what happens, the electric flux in this group of plates, okay, so the net electric flux from these two plates will be 0. No electric field will penetrate this metal plate or this metal plate. Okay, so same situation may occur here. So the plus charges are accumulated here, that is plus Q by 2 charges Okay, on this side we will get minus q by 2 charges. Here are minus q by 2 charges. Again, the initial net negative charge is 0. So, for that reason, so here we get plus q by 2 charge. Okay, so plus q by 2 charges, right. So, this is what exactly I needed. How much charge may accumulate on the outer surface, that is leftmost surface of this plate. So, the charges accumulated is plus q by 2. This is correctly said in option B, right. This is how we have to understand. And now I have to think over the second question. The second question is the charge that will flow to earth when only switch S1 is connected to earth is. Well, in this part of the question, what we are having the situation that the S1 switch is closed. That means the leftmost plate is going to be grounded, that is earthed. Okay. So, when this plate is earthed, I am going to take one more picture of the same, right. So, this is how we are seeing the 3 plates. Okay. And one more thing we have to believe that these 3 plates of infinite size. Okay. Their extension that here it goes to infinity. Okay. So, the length of these plates infinite size. So, in this situation what happens, so this is connected to earth. When this is connected to earth, what happens, the charges from earth will flow into this. Okay. So, from earth charges will flow into this, that means negative charges flow into this side of the plate. Okay. So, to this plate. So, then what happens, soon the plus q by 2 is neutralized by means of electrons which are coming from earth, right. So, and one more thing you have to observe, earth is a great source of electrons, that is negative charge. Okay. It can give you enormous amount of negative charges. So, that means since the earth is at a heavily negative, the charges which are here on the middle plate, that is B, okay. So, we simply migrate to this side as q, that is plus q here. On this side we get no charge, okay. At this situation, this plate have no significance, it is having no significance, has no significance. This plate has no significance. Okay. So, in this situation, as I said, the electrons which are from earth will come into this plate as minus q. Okay. So, the initial charge of this plate, initially it was 0, right. So, initial net charge on plate A is 0, right. Now, the charge, now the amount of charge on plate A is how much? It is minus q. From where does this came? So, this came from the earth, right. So, that much charge flown here, that is minus q charge is engaged into this plate. That means a charge plus q flows into earth, that is our convention. Okay. So, plus q amount of charge, we simply assume that much charge is gone into the earth. Okay. So, in this situation, the charge flown to earth is how much? It is plus q. This is correctly said in option C, right. So, in this pair of questions, the first question has the choice B as correct, and the second question we are having the option C as correct.